I went into college not knowing exactly what I wanted to do, but our department is just so kind and awesome, and I really like land and water, so it was like a perfect fit. Seeing it in person made it much more easier to visualize and much more clear. You knew exactly where everything is on the map, and then on top of that, meeting the actual owner, Mike Adams, was a really cool deal. He has a legacy on his farm, and it was overwhelming. So I really want to help him out, and along with the other farmers and everyone who wants to do water farming, because it's a pretty beneficial program. Go Gators!
You're seeing now that it's definitely not all things that you can learn from the textbook, because you are working with people who don't come from the same background, and it is definitely a more complicated problem than just the simple math calculation. No, that just emphasized that it is more of a complicated issue, just because you are dealing with people, their own lands, other people who are within the same watershed. They all have a stake in this issue, so they're all involved.
Well, I think it's gonna be way different, I guess. But it's yeah. Every time that we figure something out, it kind of sends you in a little bit in a different direction than when we started out with. So I feel like it's gonna be different than what I originally thought it was gonna be. Yeah, I think it's great to get involved in this opportunity, being able to restore the environment a bit, figure some of the problems that we have with water, and so it's great to be able to do something about it now.
Seeing the fields in person makes it more tangible, makes it easier to understand how the water is flowing through the system and whatnot. I didn't really understand how the orange groves acted before I came down here, but now that I do, I really want to be able to come up with something that's easy for the farmers to use, since it's such a complicated project with hydrology in the soils and whatnot. Being able to simplify it for somebody who actually needs this information, like the farmers, is so crucial to making this program successful. I would love to go into the public sector, working in environmental protection and helping the watersheds in Florida, because I grew up going to all the springs and rivers around here and up north in North Florida, so it's really close to my heart.